So for the steer, first we need the direction. If you know a bit about math and vectors, it's going to be a bit easier to understand. So the target direction is the target, which will be path current waypoint position minus the current position. And then we need to make a new direction. Vector 3, move towards, transform forward, target direction, so the current direction, which is forward, the target direction that we made here, how much we can move. For that we are going to use fixed time delta time. You could technically multiply this by rotate speed or something like that, but we are fine with this right now. And 0 for the max distance. I think it's not move towards, it's rotate towards. And then we just change the transform rotation to quaternion, look rotation, new direction. Alright. I never used obstruct, but it starts on false, so it's fine. And here for the agent we drag and drop the path. Okay, let's see if that works. And it's not instantly rotating, and instead it is going to rotate slowly around. Thanks for watching and see you on the next lesson.